Hi there, students. A booth. Countable noun. Okay, a booth is a small space like a box that a person can go into in order to do various things. So there's normally enough space to stand up in a booth. So you could have a phone booth. Yeah, you go and stand in a phone booth. It's a small enclosed compartment accommodating normally one person, or a polling booth, a little area where you go to cast your vote, or a ticket booth. Yeah, it's a little compartment with a window, and you go and you buy your ticket for the cinema or for the theatre. This is a booth. Or perhaps on the a road where you've got to pay for the road, or you've got to pay for the bridge, a toll booth. Yeah, it's like this little box where a person can go and do something, or sit and do something. Yeah, or maybe in a public toilet there are a row of booths where you can sit down, and these are all booths. Yeah, it's a small enclosure just big enough to accommodate one person standing. Okay, so for me as a Brit, that's the main meaning of a booth, a control booth. But then you can also have a booth in a restaurant. This is more American. This is where there is a table which is against the wall, and then there are two bench seats, or sort of like big sofa-like seats, one either side. And this is a booth, an enclosed table with seats, as in an American diner. The booth in a diner, in an American diner, is very common, or in a cafe. Yeah, go and sit in that booth over there. There's one booth available for you over there. And then a booth, a stall, in a fair, or a stall for the display of goods. For me, this use of booth now is much more American. I would say a stall. So a booth, it's a temporary table or a tent where you've set up to sell something. So each of the vendors has their own booth, their own little area where they sell their stuff. So it's like a sale area, an area to sell your things. And those, for me, are the three uses of booth. For me, primarily, as a Brit, a cubicle, a little box or area, space where you can stand or sit and do something. So a toll booth, a phone booth. And then a booth in a restaurant, one of these, a table that's enclosed by seating. Maybe it even goes across the wall. And then a booth, a place where you can, where you sell things, from where you sell things, so that it's your area where you can buy or watch, or even watch some form of entertainment or something like that. A stall at an exhibition with a display of goods, or maybe a booth with information. Yeah, the information booth. Okay, so a booth, a small area separated from the public where you can vote or call or something. A booth in a cafe, a table with long fixed seats round two or three sides, and then a booth, a stall at an exhibition or something like that. Let's see, a booth. I would give this a 5 in formality, used absolutely anywhere. And as to origin, it comes from Old Norse bu, or Swedish bod, Proto-Germanic Boppo, talking about an area, a shop, a building, something like that. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Booth.